Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license in Karnataka. This essential permit allows you to legally operate your business within specific municipal limits. It ensures your commercial activities comply with local health, safety, and zoning regulations, protecting both your business and the community. Obtaining this license is a mandatory step for nearly all businesses in the state. To be eligible for a trade license in Karnataka, you must be at least 18 years old and have no criminal record. Your business must also adhere to local zoning laws and safety regulations. When applying, you will need to provide identity and address proof, along with documents verifying your business premises. Depending on your business type, no objection certificates from the property owner or other departments like the Pollution Control Board might also be necessary. The application process for a trade license in Karnataka is straightforward. You can typically apply online through the official municipal corporation website, such as the BBMP portal for Bengaluru. You will need to accurately fill out the application form with your business and personal details, then upload all the necessary documents. After paying the applicable fees, which can range from 500 rupees to over 10,000 rupees depending on your business, your application will be submitted. An inspection of your premises might occur before final approval. Your trade license in Karnataka is typically valid until March 31st of every year, making annual renewal mandatory to ensure continuous legal operation. The renewal process is quite similar to the initial application and can often be completed conveniently online through the municipal portal. It is crucial to renew your license before its expiry date, as late renewals can result in penalties or even the temporary suspension of your business activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.